What's up guys, we're here. So for this video, I'll be showing you how to get the spare tire of the Toyota Hilux. And these steps will be pretty much similar to the Toyota Rush, Toyota Innova, and the Toyota Fortuner. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing to do is get your jack and your tools. So for the Toyota Hilux, just go at the second row seats and then find this rope or string and pull it, so that you could raise your back seat and access this little storage which contains the jack and your tools. So for the Toyota Rush, Innova, and Fortuner, that will be located at the cargo of your vehicle at the back. So for the Toyota Hilux Conquest variant or the V variant, you'll have to raise the other side as well, the other back seat, for you to open this little storage that contains the jack and the tools, because the other seat will be sitting on top of the cover or the lid of that storage. So yeah, just get your tools, just pull them out from this little storage. So if you have like a flat tire, so you'll have to get your jack as well. So just rotate this counterclockwise so that it will loosen up and you could pull it out just like that. So make sure just to read the instructions that's written on the jack. So make sure that you put the jack on the right spots there. So yeah, I'll just be showing you how to get the spare tire. So let's get on with this. Just grab these tools. So yeah, once you have opened that, just grab your tire wrench or the lug nut wrench, and then these three, the one that are colored black or brown, very dark brown, not sure what color exactly, but yeah, these things, the rod that will allow you to reach the spare tire holder. Alright, so once you have them out from the plastic, just simply connect them by putting this part, the one with the ball, on this part. So it will lock into place, just like that. And then put the other one on the other end, the one with the hook. Same process. Just push it in until it locks, just like that. And yeah, we're good to go with our tools. Let's get the spare tire down from there. Alright, so once you're good to go, just find this hole at the back. So for the Toyota Innova, Fortuner, and Rush, you'll have to open the tailgate in order for you to access this hole for the rod that will reach the tire or spare tire holder. But before you actually insert that in there, make sure to take a look or take a peek at the hole and take note of the orientation of the spare tire holder, so that when you insert this one, you'll immediately or quickly lock it into place. So mine is like kinda 1 o'clock and 7 o'clock. So I'll position the end of my rod just like that and just insert it there all the way in until it locks into place. So there, we're all good, and we'll just have to get our lug nut wrench and insert it here. So I like this part facing out so that I could easily rotate it. You'll see why. So yeah, once you're all good to go, just start turning it counterclockwise. So at first it will be pretty stiff or hard, so just give it a little force and it will unlock itself. And there we have it. The spare tire is already out and time to pull it out. So once the tire touches the ground, I still like to rotate the spare tire holder a bit more so that it will have like a slack on the chain, so that the hook will be very far from the lug nuts or the lug nut holes, and we could like easily pull it out. The next thing to do is just reach for this one and make sure to grab the hook just like that. So grab the hook in a slanting position so that you could pull it out and this will not get caught up on the hub board there. So just pull it like this, grab it in. So just put your hand in there, grab this one, tilt it, and pull it out. So yeah, once you have removed the hook, just pull your spare tire out. And that's how you get your spare tire for the Toyota Hilux, Innova, Fortuner, and the Rush. So putting back the spare tire or the flat tire back to the spare tire holder. So just simply slide this hook under or into the hub bore, just like that, slanted, and make sure that this one, the hook, is facing at a lug nut, and then just bring the rest down. Make sure that the whole thing slides underneath there, and make sure that it sits properly on there. So the hook is on a lug nut hole, and this edge, this one, the curve, sits right on the hub bore, just like that. You see the hook is out there and it's properly sitting on the hub bore. And just rotate the spare tire holder clockwise and it will bring the spare tire or the flat tire up. So that's how you return or put the flat tire back in the spare tire holder. Alright, I don't know about you, but that spare tire is easily accessible by anyone, especially the thieves. So they could just basically grab your spare tire as long as they have these tools, insert that there and bring down the spare tire and sell it. So yeah, that's pretty sad news to hear, especially if you've just parked your car somewhere and when you went back and look underneath there, there's no more spare tire. So for the upcoming video or for the next video, I'll be showing you how to secure your spare tire. Because I've already seen some posts of Toyota Hilux owners about their spare tire getting stolen, and we have a solution for that one. So stay tuned for the next video. Alright?